Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer Chime SpotMe to Cash App. So let's start. First of all, you need to make sure that SpotMe is enabled on Chime. So you need to go to the Chime app, you need to go to the settings, and you need to find Activate SpotMe, of course, if it's eligible, and then you can see the SpotMe limits. After that, you can add your Chime debit card to Cash App. So you need to open your Cash App, tap the bank icon which is in the bottom left menu. You need to tap linked banks or linked accounts, then go to the link debit card and you need to enter your Chime debit card details and save the information. And now you need to send your money from Cash App to your friend. So this step allows you to withdraw SpotMe funds indirectly. So you need to ask a trusted friend with Cash App to help. Use Cash App to send them money using your Chime linked debit card. Here is an example. Send $40 using the debit card. It will use SpotMe if your balance is low. And you need to confirm the transaction. And then your friend will send the money back, guys. Ask your friend to send the same amount back to your Cash App, and then you will have usable funds in your Cash App balance. So that's all I want to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.